Jim Szoke, a TV station in Chicago, had a news graphic, and they made a mistake. They announced that the Winter Olympic Games were being held at P.F. Chang's instead of Pyeongchang. People who saw it went nuts. Twitter exploded. My favorite tweet was,
so funny.
My favorite tweet was, hey, if the Olympics were held at P.F. Chang's, I'd be a gold medalist. Even P.F. Chang's released a statement saying, sadly, we are not hosting the Winter Games at P.F. Chang's.
So Chloe Kim crushed it, huh? With the women's half pipe, won gold.
Did, yep. 17 years old, and she was expected to win, but that's always difficult with a lot of expectations. And the Americans also won. Ariel Gold won a bronze in that same event, so I think he said they're doing well. 6 total medals, 3 gold for the U.S. Norway so far leads with 9 medals, but they live in a very cold part of the world, so that's expected.
Are we at, I think, 99 medals total now?
Something like that.
The U.S. team?
Yeah, I'm glad Norway is, I mean, I'd like to see the U.S. leading, but
The U.S. has won 6 medals, but 99 have been given out, I think.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. No, we haven't won 99 gold medals.
Because I looked this morning and I went, wow, something happened.
No.
Happened.
Yes, from 6 we went to 99 overnight. You really have to pay attention. Now we have 6.
I don't have a problem with Norway leading. I just don't want Russia to. I mean, they're evil.
Hard to get mad at Norway.
Well, the thing is, Russia as a team is not there.
Yeah,
I mean, they only have what they are is
It's a weird situation.
What they're doing is they're calling it athletes from Russia, and then they put the Olympic logo rather than the Russian flag next to that.
Oh, yeah.
So they're able to compete individually.
Right, because they doped.
If you watch the opening ceremonies, the Russian athletes came in, and instead of carrying the Russian flag, they were carrying the Olympic flag.
Mm-hmm.
It was
I
interesting.
was watching the curling, and the couple, man and woman that were doing, were wearing just black uniforms, like colorless, basically.
I love curling.
I do too, because she's yelling at him in Russian. We're like, sweep faster, sweep you.
All right, in other sports news, it's like being at home.
I translated Russian in my own.
You did a good job.
I'm not sure if that was spot on, but I think it's close.
What's the deal with O.J. Simpson?
Oh, this is something.
Sacha Baron Cohen has a movie upcoming, and O.J. Simpson apparently met with him in a Las Vegas hotel room, but required that he be paid $20,000, according to reports, to just meet and talk about being a character in this movie. So it's all very super secret, hush tones right now, but apparently Sacha Baron Cohen is saving a movie role for O.J. Simpson. They spoke about.
And Cohen went in disguise so that nobody would know who he was, which is something he's good at. But yeah, the Juice would not even talk to him until he got a check.
Sacha Baron Cohen is a talented person, you know, a different sort of performer and all. And if he does put O.J. in a movie, some people will think it's a hoot, and other people will hate him the rest of their lives.
The Ron Goldman family and Nicole Brown Simpson's family have already come out, and they were like, oh, no, you didn't.
And that's pretty shocking. Tom Brady, what's up with him in a movie?
Also, this is that ongoing Facebook documentary, Tom vs. Time. 5 of the 6 episodes have aired. As some would view it being arrogant, the final episode was to be based on the fact that the Patriots were going to win the Super Bowl, which they did not. So they happened to do a rewrite. Gotham Chopra is the filmmaker. And so
okay, time to put this away.
Making the final episode of the Facebook